tutorial on how to use the layers in GIMP. I'm gonna demonstrate why layers are so important in GIMP. As probably you know, to add an image into GIMP is easy. You need just drag and drop. Let's add the first image and the second image. Now you can see the only one image because the top layer is the fox photo. But if I change the stacking order, the top layer will be the lake. But if I hide the lake layer with the eye icon, the fox layer will be displayed. But if I choose something like paintbrush tool and my selection is on the bottom layer and I try to paint, nothing is happening. Try to switch between layers and you can see some paints. So it matters what the layer is selected. You can select a layer by clicking like this, but if I scale down this image, I can see two images, but the top is visible at 100%. Let's add a transparent image. It is useful when you want to use on top of an image or a colored background. A transparent image can be created by adding an alpha channel to the image. Check the description below if you don't know how. With the move tool I can change the image position and it has no background. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching.